Hello everyone, welcome to All Things Life with T. I am Tshepiso and you're tuned in to science bursaries, right? I'm going to be giving you a huge list. So I'm going to be displaying them on the screen. If you know anyone who wants to study any of the qualifications that I'm going to mention, please do make sure that you holler at them or share this information with them so that you ease off, the load of financial stress that comes as a result of what? The huge amount of fees that universities or institutions of higher learning have, right? So yeah, the first one, so I'll be giving you the qualification and then displaying the different bursaries on my screen so that we don't make this video very long. Okay,
so the first one is aviation. The bursaries for aviation are as projected on the screen. Animal science, if you're studying animal science, do go through the following bursaries projected on the screen. Anthropology and archaeology bursaries, we only have like 3 that's projected on the screen. Biological science, if you are doing anything biological science, these are the bursaries that give funding to students that are enrolled for biological science or anything related, which you will obviously get to know about if you go into the websites of these bursaries that are projected on the screen right now. And if there are specific ones that they give funding to, you get to know from their website. Biomedical science only has Chieta, NUMSA, Vermaak, and Partners pathologists, right? So it's only the 3 that we managed to get for this video. Crop science bursaries, we only have 5 bursaries as well. Make sure you go through their websites and check what they specifically give funding to. Horticulture bursaries, as projected on the screen, make sure you go to their websites and check what qualifications they require, and if you meet their qualifications or their requirements, go ahead and apply. Hydrology, if you're studying hydrology, go through the websites of the following bursaries that are projected on the screen. And then marine biology has just a handful. Please make sure that you go through their websites and also check if you qualify. Then go ahead and apply if the application is open. Food science and technology, if you're in this field or doing anything related and you find that the projected bursaries do give funding to anything that you're doing, make sure that you go ahead and wait for the application date to open. Once it's open, go ahead and apply. Material science, we only have 5 that's projected on the screen, 5 bursaries that are projected on the screen. Then microbiology, if you're studying microbiology, look no further. Here is a list of bursaries that give funding to anyone doing microbiology. Then natural science bursaries, we only have 3, as you can see on the screen. Then physics, we also have just this few that are projected on the screen. Soil science, if you're doing anything soil science related, make sure you check these bursaries and then go ahead and apply. Statistical science, also we have just this list that's projected on the screen. Science, meteorological science, we have just the 6 that are projected on the screen. No, they're actually 5. Department of Environment, Forestry and Fisheries bursary is one thing. So sorry for that pointer there. And then zoology bursaries are as projected on the screen as well. Technology bursaries, they are projected and on the screen. Make sure you check the websites of the following bursaries and then If you qualify, go ahead and apply once the once the applications are open. Veterinary science, go through the list and go ahead and apply if you qualify. Water, waste and sanitation, if you're studying anything under that, make sure you go through this list here and then go ahead and apply. Earth science bursaries are as projected on the screen. Econometrics, we only have 2 that we managed to get for this video. Forestry, make sure that you go through the bursaries that are projected on the screen at the moment. And then genetic science, we only have 4 that are projected on the screen that we managed to find for this video. And then agricultural bursaries, there's quite a huge list of fundings or bursaries that give funds to anyone studying agriculture, right? There's quite a lot of divisions under agriculture. So make sure you check the bursaries websites and see which specific ones they give funding to and go ahead and apply. And then plant science bursaries, we also have a huge list that give funding to anyone studying anything related to plant science. So go through this list and make sure that you apply, right? Environmental science bursaries, also make sure that you apply. The list is quite long as well. Go through it and you know what, just find one that's specific to you and that you qualify to get and go ahead and apply. Geography and related bursaries, make sure that you go through this huge list and apply. Chemistry bursaries are also quite long, so we have quite a lot of them that give funding to anyone studying chemistry. Make sure you go through this list. If you qualify for any, go ahead and apply. Actuarial science, make sure that you go through this long list as well and find one that's suitable to you and the qualifications you have. And then if you're meeting the requirements, go ahead and apply, please. Mathematics, if you study mathematics, make sure that you go through this bursaries that I've projected on the screen and please go ahead and apply.
So make sure that you go and check their websites. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it with a list of different qualifications and the funding that the bursaries that offer funding for those specific qualifications we have read out to you in this video. Thank you for liking these videos. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing and telling your friend to tell your friends to tell their friends to come and subscribe for this information, because we truly need this information. If you don't need it, somebody needs it in your sphere of contact, and you will, be surprised at how many people as lives you have touched with just sharing this information. So let us not be stingy and do the right thing by sharing this information and this video and this link. Ladies and gentlemen, ke nna Tshepiso, and we thank you for tuning in.